Hey guys, welcome to Weiler's channel. Today I'll show you how to make an armor stand in Minecraft. We'll need a furnace and a crafting table. Also, we'll need some fuel for burning. I'll just grab a piece of coal. We need to smelt 3 stones, or maybe even 2. We'll make some sticks from this wood. Then we'll put the 3 stones back in the furnace. After that, we'll use these 3 stones to craft. Well, you'll see. That's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This has been Weiler. Catch you later.